To check the electrical connection between the cable clamp and the battery terminal, a battery terminal voltage drop check can be performed. To do this on the positive terminal, place the positive voltmeter lead on the battery terminal and the negative lead on the battery cable clamp. After disabling the ignition system to prevent starting, crank the engine and read the voltage. To check the negative cable, repeat the procedure and place the negative lead on the terminal and the positive lead on the clamp. Voltage drop higher than approximately 1/10 of a volt is an indication of loose cables or dirt or corrosion between the cable and the terminal. One of the most important battery checks is the capacity or load test. The test is performed by applying a load, usually 50% of the cold cranking amp rating, for a period of 15 seconds. The test can be performed with the battery inside or outside the vehicle. To do this test, a device that contains a voltmeter, ammeter, and a carbon pile resistance is attached to the battery. Most of these testers have a knob that, when rotated, will increase the load on the battery by decreasing the resistance of the leads attached to the battery. An inductive clamp is placed around the negative battery cable. This clamp will sense the strength of the magnetic field created when current flows through the cable. The higher the current, the stronger the magnetic field. Let's see how this tester is used. The proper procedure for load testing a battery may vary depending on the manufacturer's recommendations. A battery must be in a fully charged condition for a load test to give accurate results. If the battery has just been charged, some manufacturers recommend that you apply a load of 300 amps for a period of 15 seconds to remove a surface charge. To perform the test, rotate the knob while looking at the voltmeter and ammeter. Generally, about half of the battery's cold cranking amps rating is applied for about 15 seconds. The voltmeter should not drop below the recommended voltage of the battery. At 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the voltage should not fall below 9.6 volts. Batteries can also be evaluated using an automatic tester. Once battery specifications are entered, this tester performs an automatic sequence of tests.